Holly McKhann with the latest Orange County housing market update for October 2025. I've got my favorite economist, Stephen Thomas's report right here that I'm going to share with you. And it's interesting because he's talking about foreclosures. Apparently, there's been talk in the media lately about foreclosures happening and increasing dramatically. Well, don't get excited thinking you're going to get some smoking deal and there's tons of foreclosures. It's just not happening. We have higher quality borrowers and more people have more equity and fully paid for homes now than we've had in a very long time, which gives us a very strong housing market. He gives a little analogy of if you're in a plane and you feel some turbulence, some people think the plane is going to crash, but most of the time it doesn't. Almost all of the time it doesn't. So the people that are now saying, oh, foreclosures have doubled. So maybe that means they went up from 4 to 8. It's still nothing significant and we're still way lower than before COVID. In Orange County right now, there are a total of 4 short sales and 4 foreclosures available for purchase, totaling 0.2% of our inventory of 4,576 homes throughout all of Orange County. It is minuscule. To give you a little perspective, go ahead if you're interested, download his whole report. You can see the distressed snapshot of foreclosures and short sales, which I'm looking at right now. In September of 2008, the total distressed listings were 5,650, which is even more inventory than we have now at 4,576. The 3-year average of 2017 to 2019, which we consider a normal market pre-COVID, was 70. Today, we are at 8 total. Last year, we were at 5, and the year before that, 6. So foreclosures just are not a big source of opportunity for people that think they're going to happen. The national delinquency rate is currently at 3.27% of all loans nationwide, which is historically low. It's still below our pre-pandemic levels of 3.85%. From 2000 to 2005, the delinquency rate averaged 4.35%. So all of that gives you a little perspective that foreclosures are not going to be a big source of opportunity or deals. And like I said, today's housing stock is more strong than ever. So putting that aside, here is a quick summary of what's happening in the market now. The active listing inventory in the past couple of weeks decreased by 182 homes, down 4%. Now stands at that 4,576 number I shared earlier. It's the largest drop of the year. Last year, there were 3,666 homes on the market, 910 fewer homes, or 20% less. The 3-year average before COVID was 6,400. So we're still much lower than a normal market of what people consider to be a normal market. Let's talk about demand. So buyer demand, the number of pending sales over the prior month increased by 18 homes, up 1%. And now stands at 1,609, its highest level since the end of March. Last year, there were 1,591 pending sales, which was 3% lower than today. I personally think some of that is from interest rates coming down a lot in the last few weeks. So more homes are going to escrow, more buyers have jumped off the fence and decided to jump into purchasing a home. Market time. With falling inventory and demand rising, the expected market time, so the number of days to sell a home in Orange County at the current buying pace, decreased from 90 to 86 days in the past couple of weeks, its lowest level since June. Yet it is still the highest end of September level since 2019. Last year it was 71 days, slightly faster than today, and the 3-year average before COVID was 86 days. So that's kind of a long time. I know people got used to homes flying off the market the first weekend during COVID, but things have changed now. So the average market time is about 3 months to sell a home. Could be faster if the home is priced on the low side or below market, and it could be slower if you price really high and are slow to bring that price back down. So we're in closer to a normal market, and it's just really good if you're a seller to have that expectation set that it will probably be about 3 months for your home to sell. Of course, you got to look at your city and your price point because it goes up a lot once you get over that $2.5 million price point. Speaking of which, in luxury, in the past 2 weeks, the expected market time for homes priced between $2.5 and $4 million decreased from 163 to 148 days. And man, that's a long time to keep your house clean and be ready for showings. My heart goes out to people that are in that boat. That's tough. And for homes priced between $4 million and $6 million, the expected market time decreased from 224 to 188 days. And if you've got a home priced over $6 million, the expected time decreased from 447 to 334, just under a year. We already talked about distressed homes, that they are 0.2% of all listings and of all demand. Now let's talk about closed sales. There were 1,875 closed resales in August, nearly identical to August of 2024's, but that's down 3% from July of 25. The sales to list price ratio, this is always very interesting, was 98.5% for Orange County. So that means if you have a home listed for $1 million, the average closing would be $985,000. So 1.5% below the asking price. Now, it is interesting because people will like lower their price. And so that's of the last list price. With that being said, personally, my clients and I have experienced a wide range of things happening. Everything from listings sitting longer than I think they should, to a couple of listings of mine sold the first weekend with multiple offers over asking for cash. So I'm seeing a wide range of activity. When people say, how's the market? I can't with definity say like, oh, well, everything's selling really fast or everything's taking a long time. I'm seeing a wide range. It depends on the neighborhood, the location, the house details, the price, all of that. So if you have any questions, definitely contact me at the information below. I'm here to help you through it, help you with specific information about your property, and definitely download that report below at the link if you want to look up your city, your price point to see how it impacts your property. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.